Yo, what is good, everyone? It's AK Trades here, back on a trade recap of the day. Today is 30th June, Tuesday. I'll be going with the two trades and I ended up taking one win, one loss, break even on the day. I risked my entire profits of the win on the second trade. It was a loss, and then I just wasn't comfortable entering anything else. So let's go into it. Let's get into it. Going into the day. I wanted shorts. Why? Because ES was in a daily gap, so I assumed that we would respect it. We had a bearish SMT with this high, so external SMT here. Let me just mark this out. So this current leg is bullish, right? 4 fair value gap tap in. So this is my catalyst for longs. It's catalyst for short. Sorry, 4 fair value gap tap in. So we are in bullish order flow. So when in bullish order flow, always make sure that I need to stay bullish. Then we had another bearish SMT here. So I was basically assuming that I was right on the direction. This is a great spot to start flushing lower because we have a weekly candle, weekly open with no wick. So that's what I assumed. All right. Um, Yeah. So we had a bearish SMT here. So the one of the mistakes I made is when I'm bullish order flow, assume bullish until proven otherwise. We had a bearish SMT here, and we got this bullish leg, which is a failed displacement. So uh, this bullish leg got contracted, and I wanted charts. Yeah, I saw this right here, which was uh, which was a 1 hour candle with no wick. Same thing here. Maybe one thing I need to think about is having, yeah, Asia lows was target, but it's a protected point in a bullish market. So anyways, what was my condition for shorts? Obviously, my conditions for shorts is that this 15-minute gap holds, because if this 15-minute gap doesn't hold and we're in bullish order flow, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, if we counteract this entire bullish displacement, we're going for this high right here. So my first long was a scalp. I pretty much knew that we would manipulate higher, and I wanted distribution lower. So my first long, which was a 500 buck win, really was pretty much limited this, and I closed like here. And yeah, I set a wide stop. I pretty much just limited this and then let it ride. Uh, yeah, I set my wide stop because if we get down here, then we're shorting anyways. So I assumed I was right on the manipulation and I got this risky, but yeah, it's yeah, I set a hard stop there. But yeah, we caught that, so I made 500 bucks, and now I was looking for this bearish displacement to hold. So what did I do? Because it's an SMT at the high, and I wanted shorts. I entered my fill was right here, and I got stopped out here. That was my trade. This would have held if I was on the funded, if it worked out my way. That was my trade for the day. Two trades for the day, break even. Uh, my plus 1 hour, plus 0.5 hour, minus 1 hour. Yeah, or yeah, pretty much. But yeah, those are my two trades for the day. Why I wanted shorts is, if we are shorting, then this is protected high, and I wanted this bear sec to hold, and the fact that it didn't hold and we contracted this entire bearish displacement. I remember my condition for shorts was the 15-minute gap holding. That means that this 15-minute gap isn't holding. But the trade of the day is this, because at this ES was all the way down here, but at this point, it's proof that uh, yeah, it's a macro. Literally 9:51 a.m. the macro delivered, and the condition was this 15-minute gap, and this is proof that 15-minute gap isn't holding. And just go for a simple 1:1. And yeah, I missed this trade. Why? Because I married shorts. I was so confident in shorts. There's a trend line here. I could have had my stop loss here, which is a really good stop loss, I just really married shorts, and I wasn't comfortable with longs because I didn't like longs. But that's something I need to adapt. Um, yeah, that's something I need to adapt to. Because yeah, I mean, I'm a better trader now. So the conditions, if this then that, and at this point it's clear that that we're not longing, and the conditions for shorts no, not shorting and this I viewed it as last resort. So if we get back below this low, because this is an OTE tap in and strong displacement higher, this, if we contract this bullish leg and get back here, then I'm assuming we take this range low. So it's the same thing. We if this S&P wants to hold, we short this bullish leg, bearish leg needs to hold, and this bearish leg needs to hold as well. But yeah, those are the two trades I ended up taking. You know, pretty calm. Break even on the day, still on the vals. So yeah, that's it. Peace.